There it is. Little tire spinning. Car's quick. It is not quite as quick as the Mark 8. Right now, the 2017 Golf R is all stock. We're going to be starting with the Integrated Engineering TCU transmission tune. So you could select the
launch RPM.
The launch RPM, that's pretty cool. So what did you select?
3400.
3400 for the launch RPM. Definitely crisper shifts.
Yeah. You know, it had a lot more lag in it before between shifts. It's 13.7.
About a 14-second car right now.
Yeah.
So definitely an improvement with the Integrated Engineering transmission tune. We thought it would be interesting to have the ECU still stock and put the TCU tune on. In the next video, we're gonna add the ECU